Shavua Tov Rabotai, we're continuing with our Mishnah Yomi Masechet Kilayim. We're up to Perek Aleph Mishnah Daled. The Mishnah now is going to deal with Kilayim regarding trees. Now the Kilayim prohibition is different for trees than it is for plants. There is no issue, no prohibition to plant the seeds of two fruit trees together like there is in the case of plants. The only prohibition is to graft one species of tree onto another. Now grafting means that you take a part of one tree, generally the branch, make a cut into another, insert the branch into the cut and bind it in a way that the branch grows to the tree. Now when the branch of one tree is grafted onto the trunk of another species, the branch continues to produce the type of fruits that it did before it was grafted, sometimes with small changes. So now the Mishnah is going to list a pair of trees that can be grafted together because they are regarded as members of the same species. Ubailan, and regarding trees, Hagasim vakirustumelin, pears and krustumerin, which are a species of a small pear which resemble a gallnut, vaprishim vauzradin, quinces and sorb apples. Enam kilayim zebazeh, they are not kilayim with each other. Now the Mishnah is going to list a pair of trees that they resemble each other, and you might have thought that they are the same species, yet the Mishnah says they're considered different species and they cannot be grafted together. Hatapuach v'chazrad, the apple and the chazrad, which the Mefarshim explain, a type of apple that grows in the forest. It was used to feed pigs. Haparsikim, vashkedin, peaches and almonds. Now the Mefarshim explain, very interesting, peaches and almonds are similar in a number of ways. Number one, when the peaches first emerge, they resembled the almond fruit. And number two, a peach's seeds, which are inside its hard pit, resemble almond nuts. Now, vashizafin, varimin, and jubjubs, and thorn jubjubs. Now the Mefarshim explain, if you look at the Rambam, and the Rambam's commentary, they explain that the regular cultivated jubjubi produces large fruit. The thorn wild jubjubi produces small fruit. The Mishnah says, even though they are similar to each other, kilayim zebazeh, they are kilayim with each other. That is the end, Rabotai, of Mishnah Daled. Mishnah Hey now is going to list pairs of plants that are kilayim with each other, even though again they seem to be from the same species. Hatznon v'nafuts, the radish and the nafuts. Now, Mefarshim explain, the radish and the nafuts are similar in the appearance of their fruits, the bulbs and the leaves. Nevertheless, they are considered kilayim with each other because they are very different in taste. Some people claim the Kilayim suggests that the nafuts of our Mishnah may be a plant called rapa, also known as rape seed. Now, the Mishnah continues, Hachadal v'lafsan, mustard and charlock mustard, again, based off the Rambam's commentary, Udlat, Ivanit, Ima, Mitzrit, Varmutza, the Greek gourd with either the Egyptian gourd or the ember gourd. We learned previously in Mishnah Bet that the Egyptian gourd and the ember gourd are not kilayim with each other. Here we learn they are both kilayim with the Greek gourd. Even though they are similar to each other, kilayim zebazeh, they are kilayim with each other. Now, Mefarshim explain, we see here many examples in the previous 5 Mishnot that we learned of plants that are kilayim with each other, and many examples of plants that are not kilayim with each other. If you look in the Rambam, in Hilchot Kilayim, Per Gimel, Halachot Aleph to Vav, you see a summary of the rules and principles that he presents in a very nice fashion. That is the end, Rabotai, of today's Mishnah Yomi. Everybody should have a Shavua Tov. Baruch Adonai Leolam. Amen v'amen.